to achieve heights, we need to have sound environment, sound footing. We are signing MOU today, whereby the space in Goa would be occupied by engaging a technology partner with the state. We are known and recognized as a touristic state. Goa is tourism. As Mr. Rajan Anand just now mentioned that he used to come to Goa, he has been coming to Goa as a tourist to this beautiful place. But hereafter he would come as a partner of the state. The state which is known as a tourist state, I feel needs to be known and identified and recognized and accepted as a IT state as well. Because large number of students pass out IT. They directly get IT degrees in the field of IT or allied. And many of them over the years have been moving out of the state for their bread and butter. And of late, many of them, after knowing that the state of Goa is showing interest and that we are coming out with electronic city and IT park also, it is just not on paper. We have taken the possession of the lands also. We have engaged consultants as well. TPR in respect of electronic city is to be sanctioned in a fortnight probably from the union government.